Prime Minister Andrew Holness is this evening firing back at political critics who say that his administration has failed to deliver a crime plan after 4 years in government. Mr. Holness was speaking Thursday at a meeting with the stakeholders at a working group on crime. We have more in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
Prior to forming government in 2016, Andrew Holness and the JLP promised Jamaicans a safer country. But over 4 years later, his critics say he has not delivered. A frequent complaint from the opposition PNP is what they say is the absence of a credible crime plan. On Thursday, Prime Minister Andrew Holness went on the offensive.
Where is the crime plan? Where is the crime plan? Oh, asking for a crime plan. And again, it is this very narrow focus without much deeper analysis of the issue. That Jamaica has had 20 crime plans before. What Jamaica has not had is a national security plan. And what we have done as a government is to create Plan Secure Jamaica. That includes a plan to deal with crime, a plan to equip the police, a plan to equip the JDF, a plan to build out our national intelligence architecture, a plan to secure our borders.
Plan Secure Jamaica includes states of emergency SOEs. Close to 10 police divisions have been placed under SOEs at different times over the last 2 years, leading to concerns that this security method has lost its effectiveness because the shock and awe value has diminished. But not so, says the Prime Minister. He says SOEs remain a short-term measure and they are working.
We have used force without violence in the areas where the attention is needed. And in every case, we have either put a lid on it or we have seen massive reductions. If you look at the space in St. James, there is no question about the SOEs working.
Mr. Holness reasoned that the SOEs have also helped with important changes in how the security forces deal with citizens.
What Jamaica has not realized is that it is working, that you now have a security force that after 40 years has the lowest security force killings, 86 I believe it was in 2019, and we're trying to make sure we continue on that low track. The success is not about so much, how many people are going to kill as a security force. It is how you can keep the crime rate down, keep your murder rate down, and as a force, you are not abusing people or taking their lives.
The Prime Minister was speaking Thursday afternoon prior to a discussion with a stakeholders working group on crime. That includes the National Integrity Action NIA, the Political Ombudsman, business leaders and academics.
It gives an opportunity to remove from the space political grandstanding, political diversion. Like the government is always willing, and more than that, the government stands at your service to participate and lead any initiative that brings consensus.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.